this has 10 moves or something. Not too sure, so, but I'm definitely not going to be able to get it in 10 moves. So let's get started. Something that I noticed is these move right, and so do these. And there's no more movement. And in each one of them, there's one of these. Like one of these like sliding panels on each side. And this one I can't push that far out, that's the max. Right? Same thing here. Can't go any further, right? Also, I'm just gonna say the design on this is very pleasing. I like it. It'll look nice on the shelf once completed. So I'm gonna do a little time lapse till I find something. So let's get into the time lapse. Right, so what I found is that by pushing this, you can push this down, and this moves. So I think what you're gonna do is slide this off. Right. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Right. Let's go. Can we push this any further out now? Hey, what if we push it in? No, we can't push it in or out. It's just stuck on this. Okay, let's try and flow out the end here then. Okay. Wait a minute. There's no way. It doesn't go that down. I push it out, it goes like that. It's not working. Oh, actually no, look, it's gone further down. We're almost out, I think. Okay, so I think we move the top bit now. See, it's almost out. Just this here is stopping it. I don't think I should be using force. Right. Because like, maybe it's back here. And then you push it in, so nothing's happening. Maybe I need to go back a few steps. Okay. No, that's just me resetting it though. Alright, no, I'll just be reset. There you go. Whoa! Did you hear that? Oh, look, it's coming out. You guys heard that click, man? Oh, then there's nothing inside. Right. I think maybe you're meant to put your own thing in there, like a ring or something. You have to try and, you know, get it in there. But, yeah. I think that's done, right? But I think I'm going to try and put it back together then, obviously, to end off. That's pretty sick, though. Okay, I did it. It's complete. Every side all complete. Dude, it's actually a pretty sick puzzle. I also have another one which is a snake puzzle. which is really sick. They come in different colours. It's sick, and it's easier than this though, but I might make a video of it soon. But next video is going to be obviously back to magic, because you know you guys probably are here for magic normally, so I'll be back at that. If you guys like this, just tell me and I'll record more. If it's not too popular, I'll still record some of it, not too often, but yeah. This is called the Japanese puzzle box. I should have said this at the beginning of the video. I actually really like the design. It looks like really like a crazy design. So it's the front, the side, the back, the side, the top, and the bottom. It looks really cool. I'm gonna try and solve it again and see if I can give you guys how it looks like inside, so that way you guys obviously can get a better look of inside. So I'll see you guys in a second. Time lapse again. Right, there you go. Did it. So there we've got the inside. So we've got here where the little compartment is, and as you see here, this is connected to the little things on the sides. So that's where like the mechanisms go. Actually really sweet. I actually take a lot of respect for people that make these kind of things, because it's super complicated. Something that's quite small, it's really like detailed and very sick. Just close up on that. It's honestly a really cool puzzle. So I think that'll be the end of the video. Not too long. Well, still about like 8 minutes, 9 minutes. But yeah, I'm gonna edit it anyway, so it might be shorter or longer, I don't know. So yeah. Oh crap, I need to solve the second part to fix it. That's gonna be hell. But yeah, this puzzle's sick. Is actually given by a friend. Normally you get this for £11 to £12. That is in British money, obviously. So I'll put it on screen for like dollars. So, and also try and provide a link to on Amazon or eBay of this, and you guys can go and try and find it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is something new to the channel, I know, but I think it's really sick, because these puzzles kind of remind me of like illusions, because obviously you don't expect where these hidden things will be. It's a bit like magic, you know, it's an illusion. So I think this kind of stuff is actually really cool. By the way, quality of videos are getting better. As you guys know, I've got mic, got studio light, tripod, like I said last video at the end anyways, you guys know that. But new setup's coming soon too, just wanted to announce that. But yeah, that's everything that I had to get out of the way. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.